Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a purpose-built training blade, not a sharpened sword. Choose a Bakken, EI-style blunt, or synthetic trainer that matches your size. This avoids dangerous improvisation. Once chosen, check flex and construction so it can handle partner drills. Make sure to buy from a reputable maker or get instructor approval. This is the fastest way to a usable, safe training katana. From here, prepare protective gear and a clear practice area to begin. Once done with selection, tailor handling so the trainer feels right. Improve grip by adding padded tape or rewrap the handle. This reduces hand strain during repetitions. Make small, reversible balance changes, cord wraps or removable weights, and test incrementally so dynamics remain predictable. Also fit a certified rubber tip or blunt cap, never sharpen. Make sure to document each change and retest with slow drills before speeding up. This prevents surprises during partnered practice. Finish by establishing routine checks and a phased training plan. Inspect fittings, look for stress lines, and confirm consistent balance. Start with solo forms, then slow partner drills, and only increase intensity when safe. If you notice wobble, splintering, or any loose parts, stop immediately. Do not continue. Make sure to have spare parts or a replacement trainer on hand. That single troubleshooting step keeps you and your partner safe and preserves training continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.